Alrighty, quick video for you here. It definitely comes well packaged, which is nice. This is just a little sticker on there. This is a 2 outlet right here, and I actually have, this is going to be my 4th one on the property for my drip system for my trees and garden. These down here are plastic. I haven't had any issues with mine, and the top is plastic as well with a small little O-ring filter right here, and this screws on. This is a male thread, and then these down here would be female threaded. Now again, a 2 station, so you can program each station how you specifically want. Super easy. We're going to go ahead and show you that. It does not come with batteries, so you will need 2 AA batteries for this, and go ahead and get yourself some good ones so you don't have issues down the road with batteries going out. Now I do recommend this, a hose arrestor, just in case if the water turns on. Not necessary, but with my drip system and my well water, sometimes it turns on and this just kind of gets that shock out of the way. So I'll leave that. This system so that you can make sure your drip system, every sprinkler is spraying. So you can do that, meaning if it's already programmed, you can go ahead and manually turn it on, so you can check your system. Now there is also a rain delay, which I've used plenty of times. You can delay it, which is really cool. Okay, so this is one I've already had installed, so I'll just show you my setup here, and I'll talk over the wind. It's a little bit windy, but not too bad. So I have my well pump. The handle is in the upright position. I have my gardening hose over here, my 4-valve splitter right here going into my well pump right here. Then screwing into the resistor here, as we can see here, and then it flows down this way. And then I have my pressure backup valve right here. I don't think that's the exact pronunciation of it here. And then my PSI pressure, and then my drip line hoses right here, and then another splitter right here. And then this one has a filter on it right here. A little complicated, but the unit itself is not complicated at all. So let's go ahead and look at it here. It has the set time right here. It is currently 2:52 p.m. and we are on auto, and then you just hold down the plus button for rain delay. But you can go ahead and right here, you can set the clock, it beeps, you go up or down. Over here, start time on station 1. As we can see right here, I have it at 9:55. And then you go how long. I do it 90 minutes. You can do it, different lengths of time, obviously. How often. I have it going every 2 days. You can do it every day if you want. I think even every 12 hours. And then off if you want to, or back over to auto. So auto is going to do whatever I set it to right here. So let's go ahead and go back over to start time, and we'll click over stations right here. This button will click you over to station 2. So station 2 starts at 8:22 p.m. and then same thing. So the same method applies to either or stations. Again, scroll wheel, simple, super easy, and I'll go ahead and knock it over to auto, and now it will go ahead and do what it needs to do. You can reset it right here. I've had these batteries in for several months now, no issues. Again, all it is just a digital clock, and then it just turns on, turns off. So batteries last a nice long time. Overall, very pleased with the system. All right, programming my new one here, and you can go every 7 days, 6 days, 5 days, 4, 3, 2, 1 day, every 12 hours, or every 6 hours is the minimum there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this station every 2 days. How long? I'm doing it for 90 minutes. Start time, I'm doing it 4:30 a.m. It'll go till 6 a.m. How often? Every 2 days. I already showed you that. And we just go over to auto. Starts in 14 hours from now. I have my setup up here. This screws in right here. Filtration, backflow, PSI pressure regulator right here. We're set up, all ready to go. Now all I have to do is make sure this is on the on position, which it is. And then I raise my handle of my pump, and the PSI regulator will go ahead and regulate how much pressure comes down through this with my drip system in particular. Once the handle's up, it's all good to go.